Alright, boys.
My name is Jeff.
We're with James over here in the scat.
What?
We're actually gonna go to Home Depot, get some sandpaper, get a little, hopefully a little sanding kit.
100, 800.
Yeah, like a little bundle of them.
So we went straight from 200 to 1,000, and it ain't working too well.
Yeah, it's a little rough. So we're gonna go head to Home Depot, get the ride in the scat. This thing's nice. Look at the steering wheel on this damn thing. God.
The speed limit is 35 miles per hour.
Yeah, James. James, without looking. Okay, you can look now. Look at the Tesla. Look at that thing.
No.
Brother.
No. It's a
It looks
Tesla.
like it looks like a Urus in the back.
He's got a bat logo on that bitch, bro. Motherfucker, bat Teslang.
Yo. Okay, so two of these,
Yep.
two of the same grits, flat John. Sweet. I think that's all we need. We don't need any
Oh, dude, we could have just did this.
any like paint or some oh, we could just spray paint the whole
just wrap
fuck.
it.
Dude. Alright, change your plan.
We're getting carried
Change your
Let's
plan.
get some of the gloss turbo.
Dude, let's just
cans.
turbo the fire.
Get a couple of those. Get 4 or 6 of those.
Yeah, make it into a Panda.
Mm-hmm.
Some panels white, some panels black.
Yeah.
The turbo cans are fire. Brother. Is it just that kind of day?
Bro, whoever violated all these cars is wicked. Trying to sell
Yeah.
your junk box?
Homie on fan.
You know what I'm saying? Don't want to get caught lacking, B. You know what I'm saying? I'm not in the streets. I can't see shit doing this, huh? We just hit a .2 G-turn, man.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, I'm floating.
Didn't even lift my head up. Oh my god. Alright, back from the depot. Our setup didn't work. The paper was way too small to the actual thing. Yeah, it didn't fit this. So this was trash. We haven't used the bricks yet, but we used the paper. Thankfully, my brother had a cool little brick thing, so we cut it to shape. James been cranking on this, wet sanding. Shit's still uneven as a muff. You know, we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna hit it with the orbital on top of this one because there's a lot we have to shave down. And I was hitting it with the 80 grit, and it wasn't really going much of anywhere. So I'm gonna hit it with 80 on the orbital. Hopefully it eats through it a little faster.
Alright, so as you can see from the dust on here, we did a pretty damn hefty job. We've been sanding for at least 5 to 6 hours, so we're taking a break. We hit a little detour. We were working up here, and then we noticed the sunroof was acting a little finicky with the rails. So we took the sunroof off. We're giving the rails and all the other fantastic pieces here a well-loved service, you could say. A refreshment. To grease it, clean it, re-grease it, get back into it. That's going to be the game plan for now until our hands aren't raw from sanding again.
Yeah. So that's probably where we're gonna finish off today. Is just cleaning the hell out of this. We don't have what is it? You need like white lithium grease.
Yeah,
if I'm
we need
mistaken?
some white lithium Grease. Anything that's not really WD-40 that actually sticks to it per se. We need grease essentially, not a degreaser.
Okay. So we'll just clean it up today. It's going to be in the garage anyway, so it's not like it's going outside. So we'll clean it, and then tomorrow, hopefully, maybe you can stop by a store or something like that.
Yep.
On the way. And then tomorrow, we're probably going to finish up the rest, let our fingers heal up a little bit overnight.
Serious.
And then, you know, get back into it. This side, I would say, percentage-wise, we're like 90.
A strong 95.
Strong 95 done here.
Yeah.
Everything's super nice and smooth. Over here, we still have this big boy. This is going to be the biggest trouble area, where James is going to actually have to flatten it out perfectly there.
We got to contour the body line a little bit more and get a little bit more fantastic Bondo work going here.
So this side, I would say we're probably, just because of that, everything else over here, done. This side, probably 70%, 75% maybe. This is the biggest part. That's the 25% right there. Everything else over here, that's good. Roof, we sanded down, but we're going to re-Bondo, sand again, re-Bondo, sand again. This was a big trouble area because this was a bunch of Bondo when we first started. So we're kind of just refilling everything. And
we also got rid of the rust.
yes, that was a big one. There was a bunch of rust.
Dug into a lot of rust, grinded it out, smoothed it out, put some protection on it, so hopefully it doesn't re-rust as fast, but
yeah,
it was bad.
So that one was bad. This, we just Bondoed. I'm going to have to sand that probably tomorrow. That one's pretty much done, I would say. Probably just a nice 400 grit run over that one, and we're good to go. Everything else, bumpers mint. Bumpers mint. And that's pretty much it. So we're going to keep messing with this rail, clean it up. We got the steamer inbound, so steam all the nastiness out, and we'll be good to go. So we cleaned everything out as best we can. Put some white lift in there. We had some sitting around. Now the issue is, so we were running it back and forth for a little bit, and now it's uneven. So like this cable, because I know this cable goes around and controls that rail, and vice versa controls this rail. This rail's all the way maxed forward. That one, as you can see, is in the middle. So looks like the motor either skipped a couple teeth or whatever the case is, and we're gonna have to readjust that. So headliner's gonna have to pop off at the bottom. Probably be better off. We'll get a good clean out of it. Be able to clean and really clean the inside of there, because as you can see, this little screw spring situation that pulls it in and out is all gunked up and nasty. So it's a good thing. But we're done for today. That's gonna be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for part 3 of the CRX, whatever we're calling this. Have a great day. See you guys in the next one. Make your dreams possible, boys. Peace. If you guys are still watching to this point of the video, I want to say a big thank you to you guys. You guys are the OGs, the originals, and we just hit 900 subscribers. Huge milestone for this channel. Huge. We are trying to hit that G bar by the end of February, so if you aren't subscribed already, please subscribe down below, and we thank you. So we thought at the end of a video, we might as well do a little soft opening of our apparel line. If you guys want to wear your innerwear on the outside, this is a perfect way to do it. If you want to show the world that your dreams matter too, this is an amazing way to do it. And if you want to support the channel, this is an even better way to do it. So thank you guys so much, and make your dreams possible. Peace.